Now, I want to see how it fits against my template. Now this way, if I fold it in half again, it's going to come fairly short of the template. So I'm going to experiment. I'm going to fold it the other way and see how it folds against the template there. Okay, that's better. It fits my template pretty evenly, maybe with a little extra. And that little extra I'll just fold under. So now it fits my template lengthwise right here evenly. I'm going to fold this blanket the full size of the shelf because the blankets are much more bulky. So now when you have it all laid out and it's the width of your template, now we're going to do as we did with the sheets and fold in one side. And you want it to be the width of the shelf, a little less, because as we roll it, it's going to get a little bit more bulky. And then alternate and fold in the other end. And then we can fold it and then roll it up like this onto itself. Now it is the size of the shelf. And now you'll see it fits very nicely on the shelf like this.